Hey, it's Nerin here. Hi, if you're a new follower or you've just sort of found Positively Sorted recently, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you've been around for a little while, you might have noticed I've been a little bit absent. I'm still alive and I've just been crazy busy the last few months, but I'm starting to get back on top of it now, and I'll fill you in on another video soon. Some of the stuff I've been up to, there's so much been happening with Positively Sorted, so there's lots to share. So I'm jumping back into sharing videos and sharing some more information and stuff. And today I wanted to talk about how important it is to communicate and plan within your business, with your team, or even just with yourself and other people that you're working with, the clients and sort of other contractors that you're working with on a regular basis. We can get so bogged down in actually doing the work and putting out fires and doing all those things that need to get done in the day that sometimes we don't stop and have those catch-ups and just check in with people and communicate and see how they're going and where they're up to. And I use this analogy, and I can't remember where I've heard it from, and I've probably messed it up a bit, but this is my spin on it. It's like a sailing ship, right? Everyone's on deck, working their butts off, getting everything done to keep the ship moving. But if you're not checking your course every now and then, you might end up in the wrong place, right? So in business it's the same. We need to sort of stop and check and make sure that all this stuff you're working on is still heading in the direction that you want to go in, that you're still heading towards the goals that you set, or maybe your goals have changed along the way and you're still working on stuff that's not relevant anymore, or somebody else might be working on non-relevant things for you. So yeah, and I think that communication as well, people just really appreciate it. Like, I worked with a client yesterday that we had a sit down and just a review of the whole process of who does what in their business and when and how they're getting it done. And everybody commented on how good it was to just get that clear again and make sure everyone was still on the same page. So it's super important. Sometimes we just forget, or get snowed under and don't get around to it. So my action item for you today is to stop and just book in a meeting with your team or those significant people that help you in your business, or your clients that you might need to check in with, or even just book some time in your calendar for you to stop and check in where you're up to and what you're working on and what you're working towards. Because it really does, it's super valuable, and it will make a difference in feeling like you're getting somewhere and in the right place. So I'll leave you with that today, and I'll be back soon. I've got, like I said, I'm trying to get back into sharing a bit more often. So I will see you soon. Have a good day.